So basically, I woke up one morning and like every morning went on the gram. Got out of bed, scrolled my Instagram and stumbled upon this. Kanye West wearing the sickest jacket. I want this jacket. Went on Google, saw the jacket. The jacket went from $3,000 to $5,000. I checked my wallet, I didn't have $3,000. I checked my piggy bank, I had €8 and £4. I asked my mom for $3,000.
Hey mom, do you have $3,000 for a jacket?
She said, so I asked myself, how can I make that $5,000 jacket for cheap? Oh, I got it. First, I needed bandanas. A lot of bandanas. Got my laptop, went to Amazon, searched bandanas, and got a 20 pack of royal blue bandanas. I'm saying bandanas a lot, right? I needed a jacket too. Went to a thrift store in Paris and came back with this puffer flannel for €15. 24 hours later, I got the bandanas. They were perfect. Before starting the stitching, I ate a blueberry. Then another, and another. And then I remembered I didn't have any blue thread. Went to the craft store, got blue threads, got home. Okay, let's do this. Then I started stitching. This is the progress from day 1, day 2, day 3 where I finished the first sleeve, moved on to the collar, folded the fabric around it so it looks clean, did some cutting, some pinning, and more stitching. That's progress on day 4. I wanted to start the back with a full bandanas pointing up. Then I didn't know what to do with the rest. Started with the upper sides, finished the second bovine, and got a new one. Back to pinning to the back, I had 3 options in mind. 1, 2, and 3. Went for 3. More cutting, more stitching. The back looked fire. I didn't like the button on the shirt. Also, Kanye has pressure button, so I had to have pressure button. Got back to stitching and finished the third bovine. But 3 more. That's progress from day 5. Pinned my thumb, got hurt, give me your thumbs up for support. Back to work, sleeve number 2, more pinning, more stitching, cutting excess thread, they are everywhere in my room. Jacket was done, but I needed the pressure button. I read the manual. The manual was useless. It actually helped, but I guess it's cool to say that it was useless. On the manual, they said you need a hammer. I looked for a hammer, I didn't have a hammer. So I used the second best thing. It's on the desk. Will you guess before I say it? Okay, it's the perfume. You lost. Measured the button placement, poked holes for the buttons, pissed off my neighbors again and again, and just like that, I had 4 pressure buttons on. It only took an hour. After using 5 bovines, which total for 500 meters of thread, which is 1 Eiffel Tower and a half, or 4.6 football fields. Here's the final results. You ready?